Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatobi, and on this channel we do food, lifestyle and music. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this yummy curry sauce. You can enjoy it with rice, you can enjoy it with spaghetti. And yeah, if you love to see how I prepared this meal, please continue watching. If you're new to the channel, you are absolutely welcome. Please do well to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button. I post new videos every week. Let's jump right into it. So to make curry sauce, you'll be needing the following ingredients. You'll be needing some goat meat, some garlic, some onions, some pepper, some thyme, some curry, some seasoning cubes, and some oil and water. Yeah, and in fact all the recipe, or rather all the measurements, will be in the description box below. And so what I like to do is, or what you would normally do when you want to prepare this curry sauce, is to marinate the chicken, or not chicken, well, this is, you could do chicken curry sauce, you can do goat meat curry sauce, but since we're doing goat meat curry sauce, it's still the same process, it's just different proteins. All right, so what I'd like to do is marinate my goat meat, or what I did was to marinate my goat meat. So I added in some blended onions, ginger, I forgot to mention that, ginger and garlic, and then just 1 cube of what's it called, seasoning cube, and then I just marinated it and put it in the fridge. I put in the fridge for like till the next day, because I when I bought the ingredients, it was too late to start recording, and I was using natural lightning. I don't know why I'm stammering, but you get me. So that was what I did, and then the next day I just started cooking. I just started the cooking process. So all I did was to transfer the marinated goat meat into a pot. And then I added in some pepper, I added in some thyme, I added in some more curry, I added in some seasoning cubes and water. Okay, so the first thing was, I actually, after I put in the meat, like the marinated meat, I added in some curry, thyme, what's it called, oil, just to like make it, and make sure that like when you are putting in the meat, it's touching the pan, it's not like overlapping each other. So then I added in some oil, and then I went in with the curry, thyme, and pepper, and then some seasoning cubes, and then I just covered it and let it like cook for a little while, like let the steam come out of the meat. And then that's when I now added in more water and some more seasoning cubes. So you might not need as much seasoning cubes, in fact you don't need as much seasoning cubes, but just follow your intuition. Okay, when you taste it, if it's okay you add, if it's not okay rather you add, if it's okay you leave it as it is. So what I've just done now is to cover it and then let it cook for a little while. And then when it was almost ready, that's when I added in my Irish potatoes. I already washed it off camera, and I added it into the goat meat curry sauce, and then I covered it and let it cook for a little while. And then the next step was to add in some mixed vegetables, and so I have in here some spring onions, some carrots, and green pepper. Yeah, and that's all I added into it, and I just gave everything a good mix. And then I checked to taste for this taste. I wanted to see if it was okay, and I realized that it was not okay like that, so I added in just a little bit of salt. So I advise that you add in the salt before you put in your potatoes, yeah, and because potatoes and the vegetable are the last thing to do. And then when it's ready, it becomes like it thickens a little, and then you know it's ready. And then when you like put a knife through your meat, you know that, and when it's perfectly cooked, then you know it's ready. So I enjoyed this with rice. It was so good, guys. It was so delicious, very fast, very quick. You don't have to spend a long time in the kitchen, and you are done. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please show me some love by sharing it, by liking the video, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.